Woolwich Racing provides user guides to guide you through the installation of Woolwich Racing hardware to your motorcycle. We also have a range of video guides on our YouTube channel, organised into a number of playlists which show you how to use various parts of the software. This also includes purchasing and general product guides, as well as troubleshooting video guides. To view the hardware installation guides, in the Woolwich Racing Tuned software, go to Help, User Guides and Installation Instructions. Alternatively, if you go to the Woolwich Racing website, go to Downloads, User Guides and Installation Manuals, and then log in to your account. We have General User Guides, Interface User Guides, Harness Installation Guides, Bench Harness Guides, as well as Race Tools User Guides available. For some products, we also have troubleshooting guides. Click on a user guide and a PDF user guide document will be opened in your web browser. User guides for a model will only become available on your account after you make a related purchase for that model. Some user guides are used across a number of different models and may reference a different model to your bike. However, the pinout and general installation is the same.